agents who are on the call. This webinar is about financial education services, or for short, FES, as you can see on the screen. It's protection that pays. All right, I'm going to get to the, here we go. So why FES? Think about it. How many people have less than perfect credit, or have a lot of debt and no idea how to pay it off, or they don't have their personal and financial affairs in order, or maybe they dislike their current job and are looking for a change? I don't know about you guys. I know a lot of people like that. So how many people do you know that need to make more money, or maybe they can't afford vacations, aren't where they want to be in life, or they just want a solution and plan of action? Why is this? Our formal education didn't teach us about personal finances or success. So FES provides the financial education and success training that we needed a long time ago. Services that are going to protect our identity, credit, family, and finances. On top of that, it also has lucrative and life-changing opportunities, which I'll get into near the end of the call. So this company, FES, was founded in 2004, headquartered in Farmington Hills, Michigan. A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Guys, just think about that, because we're talking about a FES credit repair business that's in the direct sales and network marketing industry. It's very, very rare to see companies in this industry. It's a great industry, but A+ rating it's the best, and it's rare. So it's just something I wanted to highlight. Over 100% in annual sales growth since they've started in 2004. 100% debt-free, and also same key executives since the company's inception. We see a lot of companies come out and they have new CEO, or they sell the company, or new this. It's because of problems, but to see that they have the same key executives for the past 12 years or 13 years now, just a really great sign. So this is the Protection Plan membership. It's a plan that protects your identity, your credit, your family, your finances, your lifestyle, and your future. So what's in your Protection Plan membership? Emphasis on credit. We are here for credit repair. So today, obviously, if you guys know this, your credit score, it's like a vital sign. It's being monitored at all times. It can impact your insurance premiums, your interest rates. You can even be denied the ability to rent, purchase, get a credit card, or even employment. It's that serious. Over the course of your lifetime, less than an excellent credit rating could cost you over $200,000. So when people say, credit's not that important, if they realize that their score was a few hundred points higher, and their car payment would be lower, their insurance or their rent might be a little bit lower. So credit restoration through United Credit Education Services. So through our services, you're able to leverage your legal rights to investigate, dispute, and challenge negative items on your credit report. Anything that's inaccurate, erroneous, or obsolete items such as late payments, collections, bankruptcies, judgments, medical bills, all of that can be potentially deleted or updated on your credit reports. So this is kind of like what the back office looks like. You're able to check your progress. You're able to check your score, see where you're at. You're able to, calculate your credit score, and tons of stuff up here, your dispute letters, uploading your ID documents, understanding, just so you guys kind of see this is what you get when you become a customer or a credit agent. So really great stuff for people who need to pay off student loans, pay off credit cards, or just establish credit or build credit. And, some people have great credit, so maybe they're just looking for the opportunity, which I'll get into here shortly. This is just this is what you guys can see to expect as you start your process. These are just some of our clients' results. And as you can see, in dispute, deleted. Look at all the stuff that they had deleted. Harrison Medical Center collections, deleted. Ford financing, a car repossession, deleted. Federal government, a tax lien, deleted. I don't know if any of you guys can relate, but I've had a repossession before. I know it's embarrassing, but I've had a car repossessed. I've owed money in taxes. I'm still paying my student loans. I owed like $15,000. Now I've got it down to about $4,000. But these things on top of credit cards are definitely they negatively affected my credit score. And if any of you guys can relate, that's why this service and company is so powerful. So this company has a 15-year track record, close to 1 million derogatory items deleted from people's credit reports, and tens of thousands of satisfied clients due to our satisfaction guarantee. So we have other products and services. We have the Positive Credit Builder. It's recommendations for adding positive trade lines to your credit profile. We have Debt Zero, which is an interactive online debt payoff system and budgeting tool, which I found really cool because, sometimes we have a couple credit cards, one with a low balance, one with a high balance, and maybe one in the middle. And we're not really sure which one should I pay off first. Should I pay off the one? And it's, it kind of gets out of control. This tells you how much to pay for this card and how much to pay for that card. Really cool. You get a credit attorney, so you'll have, you feel comfortable knowing you have defense team on your side. On top of that, you'll be able to access your credit score and credit reports 24/7 for credit monitoring, which is important. Sometimes it costs you money to check your credit score through some of the other credit services. So this is great service. So here's just some documentation of people who have used the FES credit restoration services. So in just 2 months, her credit score increased to the point that her car insurance premium was lowered by $2,000 per year. So that's our friend Yvette in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. I mean, would that be worth it to you guys? I could just imagine saving $2,000 a year on your car insurance just because, you got better credit now. Is it really worth, just having a couple hundred points on your credit score up and down when you could, what is the extra $2,000 per year? I would go on vacation probably. $2,000 sounds like a nice vacation. And then we have Brian down here from Fort Lauderdale. His credit score went from 586 to 748, which allowed him to purchase a new car with no money down and a very low monthly payment. That's awesome. Wow. Just being able to put no money down and have a very low monthly payment, that's just the power of having a high credit score. Here's some more results. They had their bankruptcy removed and they were able to purchase a home with a low fixed interest rate, which saved them almost $1,000 per month. So that's $12,000 a year saved. And it's, FES doesn't even cost anywhere near that. So totally worth it. And then we have Vinny from California. After just 45 days, he had a tax lien and a foreclosure deleted from his credit reports. That's so powerful, guys. So other protection on top of credit repair, we also have LifeLock, which is #1 in identity theft protection. You'll be able to get a will, trust, POA, and financial lifelocks. This is a program developed by attorneys. So you'll be able to organize all of your personal and financial information in this virtual password protected safety deposit box. It's an easy to use service with client support available. Other money saving benefits, we also, as a credit agents, get prescription discount ranging from 10% to 85%. We also, one of my favorite parts is the FES discount travel portal. I love the travel, hotels and flights and stuff. So the fact that I'm able to get, discount travel, while I'm getting my credit repair is really great. We have a online shopping portal and we get cash back, which is great. Cash back's always good. Getting paid to shop. Insurance solutions. So we have access to experienced insurance professionals for all of our insurance needs. So this is just some more of the stuff that's in our FESPP, which is our protection plan. Credit restoration, credit builder, credit attorney, and smart credit. We were kind of talking about that before. So what is protecting your family, your lifestyle, and your future worth? Look at all the stuff it comes with. Credit restoration, credit builder, smart credit, Debt Zero, LifeLock, the financial lockbox, life insurance, My Care Plan, discount shopping, YFL Family Mint, which we'll go into, RX discount card, and like I said, my favorite, discount travel. So, all of this, if you were to buy all of these individually, like from, I don't know how, like 12 or 13 of these different companies, that would be $10,000 individually or over $400 per month. It's pretty expensive. But with FES, we get exclusive money saving services for a one-time $99 activation fee and then $89 per month. No contract. You can cancel at any time. No pressure. Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, the YFL, each protection plan membership donates $2 each month to the YFL. This educates young people ages 8 to 18 on the matters of personal finance and financial literacy in schools across America. And the annual college scholarships, the YFL awards hundreds of thousands of dollars in college tuition each year. Now we're going to get into the career opportunity because some of you guys were interested in learning about how to work from home as a credit repair agent and actually get paid weekly like a lot of us who are on this webinar are doing. So how many people today control their income, their schedule, advancement, benefits, their retirement, or their future? Welcome to Hybrid Marketing, where corporate America meets entrepreneurship. So what do we do to earn income and benefits? We have two divisions: developing corporate accounts and establishing personal clients, protection plan membership sales and sales of individual services, and business development, where we recruit, train, and manage a nationwide sales organization, kind of like what we're doing on this call right now. Corporate accounts could be anything from mortgage brokers, car dealerships, real estate agents, loan modification, debt settlement companies, bankruptcy attorneys, and tax professionals. So as you guys are watching this, I'm sure you have some people come to mind that who are mortgage brokers or own car dealerships or car salesmen or real estate agents. You probably have some ideas popping up, people that you can refer to this, not only to help them out, but to earn yourself a nice weekly income. So personal sales commissions. Here you are, an agent with the protection plan. You go out and you get $100 for each customer that you refer. So let's say you get 3 customers, as you see right here, that's $300, and you're going to get $12 a month residual income, right? Because they're going to be on the plan for 3 months, 6 months, depending what they need done. Most of our clients see results in their first 45 to 90 days, which again, that's about 3 months or more. So you're going to get that one-time $100 bonus, and then each month that they stay on, you're going to get an additional $12 in residual income. So here's a theoretical example of your income potential. 2 protection plan customers per week can bring you $800 per month. 5 customers per week can bring you $2,000 per month. 10,000 customers per week can bring you $4,000 per month. And 20 customers per week can earn you, 6 figures a year, $100,000 a year. There is no guarantees to the level of, financial success. All of these are, theoretical examples for explanation purposes only. We're just showing you guys what is possible. It takes a lot of hard work. You want to watch these calls and learn from the credit agents who are having success. Bill Connolly hit, one of the higher ranks his first 5 weeks. Hanzo's doing a great job. Trey, just all the people that we're working with are doing a great job. So you just want to follow their lead, how they're marketing the credit repair services to our customers, as well as the career opportunity for credit agents. Also, some of our services can be sold individually. My Care Plan, LifeLock, UltraScore, Rental Karma, merchant services with International Bank Card, Secured Card, and Smart Credit. So business development, this is moving further into the career opportunity. And this quote is so true. I've heard this many times. It's better to get 1% of 100 people's efforts rather than 100% of your own. So CAB bonuses, customer acquisition bonuses. We have you, an agent, a PPM agent. So what happens is you sign up and you enroll someone, and you're going to get a $100 CAB bonus plus residual. Now, as your team grows, we have points attached to each customer and each agent. When you hit field trainer, which basically means you have 1,600 in team volume, the points are added as follows. If you get each customer that you get 200 points, and each credit agent that you get 400 points. So it's very easy to accumulate 1,600 in team volume and get a raise from, instead of only earning a $100 CAB bonus, why not give yourself a raise and earn a $160 CAB bonus? The next rank after field trainer is senior field trainer, which is 5,000 team volume. And then again, you get another raise anytime you refer someone and they go out and get 2 customers, $240 CAB bonus, plus again, your $12 residuals per customer. Sales director, 10,000 team volume, getting a little higher up there, right? Now you just gave yourself even bigger bonus. I'm getting pretty excited here watching this. 380 CAB bonus plus residual each time you refer an agent and they get 2 customers. So it's paid to unlimited levels. We're just kind of showing you guys. These are all paid weekly. These are the different ranks that we have, starting at field trainer, senior field trainer, sales director. And they just kind of work their way up. And each time you get a promotion, your bonuses just continue to rise, right? All the way up to 550. Which is, that's a lot of money for acquiring an agent and helping them get 2 customers, right? So it's definitely worth it to really put some work into this, whether it takes you 3 months, 6 months, or a year to get up to these higher ranks. this type of money is life-changing and can really add up quickly with just, one sale a day or, one sale a week. So here's another example of team earnings. Let's say we have a sales director here in, I think that's Missouri. Then they have an agent out here in California, another agent in Texas, then they have 3 field trainers, spread out throughout the country. So that's about, just in this example right here, again, it's not going to happen overnight, but with hard work, that's about $5,000 in total CAB bonuses. And if you look at this, that's really not a lot of people. It's really not a huge, team or a huge sales organization to earn $5,000. So this is really something that anybody can do if they, get started, take action, and just simply follow instructions. So if you did this once a month, you'd earn about $5,000 a month. If you did this once a week, obviously that's about $20,000 a month. What if you did that twice a week? You guys kind of see where we're going with this? Theoretical residual income example. This is just the power of the protection plan membership. So starting off, you get 5 agents and or customers. So it could be 5 agents, it could be 5 customers, it could be 3 agents and 2 customers. Your monthly fee of $89 is now free. Then you get, these 5 go out and they're obviously going to want to get a few agents and a few customers, so they get free credit repair as well. And then it's just going to duplicate. They're going to find their 5 people because they want free credit repair. They're going to find 5. They're going to find 5. The next thing you know, you went out and found 5 people, but all of a sudden from those 5 turned into 125, 625, 3,125, 15,625 people. Crazy. And as the years go on, and it's just a domino effect. You really can't stop it when you have enough, hungry people who are maybe doing this full time, or you get some veteran marketers who, know how to run ads, know how to get customers. 19,000 agents, or not even agents, just 19,000, protection plan memberships, and you're earning, $75,000 a month. That's about millionaire status, guys. I think $83,000 a month is $1 million a year. So how many people on this call, would like to become millionaires? Now, this is also, if you guys aren't, excited